I'm up $900 today trading in the stock market, and here's what I traded step by step. First, you want to search up TradingView and then click on the first link. Once you're on TradingView, you want to go ahead and search up SPX, then click Launch Chart. So now that you're on SPX, you can see that we gap down right off open. When we gap down, we create a space with no candles in it, and usually as time goes on, the gap gets filled. So now that you identified the gap, you want to mark your entry level, which is the resistance level rejecting SPX from entering the gap above. Once you mark down your resistance level, you want to mark down your take profit level, which will be the candle where the gap finishes filling. Once you mark down your entry and take profit level, you now want to watch for a break above the resistance level. When we break, you want to take note if the buying strength is strong. You can tell that it's strong depending on the size of the candles and if we keep breaking new highs. Now, as you can see, we broke the resistance level with a big buying candle, meaning that buyers were stronger than sellers, enough to break the resistance level. You want to go ahead and enter calls here. Once you're in calls, you want to target the top of the gap, which is your take profit level. Once the gap finished filling, I ended up taking over $900 in profit.